This is a Russian, a Russian mosin nagant, or whatever you want to call it. It's just a 7.62 by 54. Pretty much the big brother to the SKS, or the AK, or like the grandfather to the AK. So we're gonna be shooting at probably, I think it's at the motor over there. Boom, right there. It's real loud, so yeah, as you can see, that's pretty loud. I don't know. You'll see the muzzle flash. I just want to show you the muzzle flash. So get ready for this. Seeing that. I think he hit the plate. Okay, he hit the plate. He's gonna be shooting it again. Let's actually show you where he's shooting. He's gonna be shooting at that plate. Okay, he hit the rotor. Were you aiming for the rotor? Okay, he was aiming for the rotor, guys. So he hit his mark. Yet again, let's do the muzzle flash again, because that muzzle flash is pretty sick. I don't know if you guys can see that, but real life, it's nice. It's a beauty. I love the fresh smell of gunpowder. That was nice.